Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution, said by Sir Albert Einstein. So, hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel, Meera. Namaste, आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So, today I'm going to share with you topic related to imagination, of course, and this is something which is very powerful, I believe, because everything into existence is because of this formless substance. So what is it? So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So before I deep dive into it, let's understand what imagination is all about and what exactly imagination mean, and I want to put in front of you. Imagination is the ability to create a mental form in the mind, and it becomes powerful when you can manifest it. So every physical being you are watching or you are using right now, even the mobile phone or the laptop you're using to watch this video, is because it was created in the mind first. So every creation which takes place, first it takes place in the mind before it comes into physical reality. And imagination can be done or can be used by two things. There are two forms of imagination. Number one is synthetic imagination, and other one being creative imagination. So, what is synthetic imagination? Like, synthetic imagination is nothing but using the existing form to create something new, and it's like following the pattern or reviewing or analyzing the past thing or past substances to use the same tool to create something new. That's synthetic imagination. What is creative imagination? This is something which is very powerful and unique because evolution starts and comes from creativity. This is something very original and new which comes from an individual, and it happens very quickly when our conscious mind is working rapidly. Creative imagination requires much more energy than the synthetic imagination will ever take. Like, if I have to take some example, like before the mobile phone was invented, it was first created in the mind. The first aircraft which we saw flying in the air was first created in the mind. And be it any motorcycle or like any physical being, the park, the houses was first created in the mind. Like, you only think you would like to renovate your house, right? And before you renovate, you visualizes that yes, I want to have this kind of room, I want to have this kind of living room, I want to have this kind of bedroom. So all these things are created in the mind first, and then you give this as a reality by writing it on a paper and then working towards it. So for sure, you guys will agree with this that if there is imagination, then there has to be something called positive imagination and negative imaginations too. And whose influence do you think is the most? Negative imagination, right? And I feel you because everybody goes through it. Even I went through it, and this is very natural. Our mind, like, automatically shifts to start imagining things and thinking things about negative stuff more than the positive ones. So, what is positive imagination all about? With positive imagination, I mean uh, imagining or visualizing the thing which you desire, which you want to have. And the best part about imagination, which I like the most, is you can literally create any kind of picture or any kind of visuals in your mind of any form. And believe me, guys, I've learned this from my master that whatever is coming in your mind as a form of thought is already into existence. You just need to implement and find out where it is and just put it into work. So, this is what I mean by positive imagination. So, what is negative imagination? With negative imagination, I mean that negative results like fear, it comes from a background called fear. Like you have a fear of failing, maybe this might not work, maybe this is not feasible because people around you or the things which you are surrounded with is something which is not feasible or not. How should I tell you this? Like, I hope you understand. Like, not familiar with. There is something new which you want to create, but you can't because of negative influence or fear you have in your mind. So how can you overcome this? There are 7 ways you can do it, and I'll make this another video for this because this otherwise this video is going to be too long. So stay tuned for that to how to overcome this negative imagination. Like, have you ever watched this movie Inception? Do you think that that is a reality where you travel dimension, dreams after dreams to the dreams? It's crazy, right? But this is real. Believe me, it is real because that's something which is also part of imagination. If it's there, if the movie is being created, which means it exists. Be it any game, you play any game, it's a part of formless substance which starts from here and then it comes into the picture. So this is what I wanted to convey today. And before I end off, like I would like to share this because this is something which is very important, I guess. Imagination leads to manifestation for sure. It becomes power, but every different person have a different way of manifestation. Some manifest and imagine quickly, but some takes more time. And like it's okay. Somebody is stronger in manifestation and somebody is weaker. That's completely okay. But do you know what's the good news? The good news is anybody can improve this thing because this is something which anybody can follow and just practice through it and you will get there. So I'll share with you with another video how to practice imagination or visualization to manifest anything and everything you want. So this is pretty much of the video, guys. This is what I wanted to share with you. So thank you so much for watching my video and tuning in today. If you guys feel I was able to add value, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section what are you imagining now. And I'll see you next week again with a smashing video. And tomorrow, guys, I'll be making video on how you can improve on imagination, like how you can improve the power of your imagination, and that leads to powerful manifestation. Till then, Mira, namaste, आप सभी.